What's up, YouTube world? Camping Cajun here, coming to you with another video from Baton Rouge. So we're looking at traveling some long distance places, and we needed some extra refrigerator space because everybody knows refrigerators and campers aren't that big unless you get a residential size refrigerator, and well, we don't have one in here. I'll show you what ours does look like. I mean, we got a pretty decent size refrigerator, but 3 and 4 people. For this trip, it's gonna be 4 of us. It just wasn't enough room. So and anytime we go anywhere, I mean, we're from the South, we're from Louisiana, we love to cook, and that was just not enough room. So we talked to some other campers, and we put a lot of posts out on Facebook trying to find what would be the best idea for us to do. Most people said ice chests or things like that. Some of them said buy regular dorm size refrigerator, stick it outside and plug it in. So I love the idea of the dorm size refrigerator. We just took it a step further, and instead of plugging it in, this is our pantry, we actually removed a shelf in the bottom of the pantry because we still have all that storage up there, and we have all that storage on the armoire over here with the cabinets on bottom and top. So we have plenty of room, so we just took the bottom shelf out, and we're going to put a rack right here on top of the refrigerator so we can stick some small stuff up there, and so that it won't fall through. But as you can see, the door opens all the way up, and it gave us some more fridge. So we got a place to put all our drinks and stuff so we can keep meats, fruits, and vegetables and things like that in the other refrigerator. So we'll see how it's going to do. Now I am going to pull this back out probably this week coming sometime, and put a pan under the bottom just in case it would go to leaking or defrost because of being off too long. We wouldn't have to worry about dripping into the slide. So I'm going to put a pan under it just to help cover it. If you're wondering where we plugged it in, it's probably one of the questions that's going to get asked. So I got lucky, and my fireplace, TV, and all that stuff is sitting next to it. So I pulled the 2 drawers out, and there was a hole here already for the other wiring to come through, so we just ran it to there. And we've had the fireplace and the refrigerator both on to see how it's going to do with the pull on that circuit, on that outlet, and so far so good. And we'll see what happens from here. Let it run for a little bit and try it out, and if we have issues, we'll have to put an extension cord on it and run it up to the top, because there's a ton of plugs behind all of this that the TV and PlayStations and satellites and things like that plug into. So we may have to move the cord if it starts to pop a fuse or keeps blowing a breaker. So we'll see how it does. I'll post an update later when we do our first camping trip coming up at the end of the month to Gatlinburg. I'll post an update then, and we'll see how it's doing.